Our Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, a good deal, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2018 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.